you life to the fullest during this orange season of Boku Boku Sweet Tindem. Now forget ready for experience and enjoy life even more and more. Well, now the love down sweet.
Orange.
Welcome back, and so we'll start the program where we'll begin with this first one. This BNT, because of the rapid, most likely be the happen in Congo tongue. Well, we'll go do follow up, make we know what's in the carry on that side is since where them the experience then in the day. Well, now join me as I begin the community.
Mina Alfred Kalawasisi. Me na the chairman of this community. For this place, we don't kill people a long years ago, and we don't see how the place now they becomes a damage to the play to proper government. For the government say focus now, then they can look this place. I risks for people where they live down there here. Government may don't stop this building before that Mr. Mimi get them, but we get the understanding say Mr. Mimi don't sell and give one owner pastor. But this woman, he may come, we buy the place. They can talk to the community. They say, Ingo can empower the place and he put retaining wall so that nothing will happen. Since then now the woman just they put host on top host, host on top host. So it's like we self one of the stakeholder there, and we self the fear because we don't see the kind of disaster that would happen at the country. And government they give you the precautions. Say any someone a risk and disaster prone area, let people very be careful. When people they complain, the people who they up and the people who they live here. Then they throw away toilets pan them, then they throw away dirty pan them. You say they know me tell them go live down the slumming, you understand what I mean? And the last time back downside the under disaster may take place, they will thank God when I want casualty and we know the pray God for that happen at this community. A person may die there during the rain. The dirty cut can cover her. Inside also person may die at the place there.
Yeah, whether that's baby for them, kill people, go other toilet video up area, stick them video inside the same July back. The toilet canon, stick them canon, stone. Me like me so right now, where when they come for last stick inside me myself at the free. Because I that shop will meet me. I think different in them. But the tell us stick inside any Miss Oscar meet me down. Last stress all leak in the family. They also want to pay guys now all land with the thing but and they say as anything can happen back. If that was say can how back in the commit. And the toilet all kind of things they can't do ya. Papa government say able for help we. They say can put chairs and say if they can they say them able for talk to them and end up. Me no so self back down here so na mountain man. Adam Asisi. So this place here so if this is 200 before. You know they sleep if the place people they sleep there. Whole next round na for Sudan. The rain in the morning away. So the man know the fear okay picking and I will see house. Look where for we don't like with the fear. Instead them picking about we them picking them more now they would feel like who the people know better but we want to left now on your picking them. Look the place where they suffer with. And then after them kind of better can they know they agree. Who can last year who get problem now? What's up for them power now? Nothing. They can't take all. Now something they do. Then go and give them the money. Then they hold the money. Pop. They're not cool. Nothing. Now stop now. Who clear say the take they are not don't clear me do. One day, person that pan the rain. We not go feel bad. Don't go cover. So nobody not go feel fine. Because we try not to go so glad. We not glad we now. But we not get place.
Me name Palatarawali. I go to with the Sina Ituboku. This tolo are link pasu. This now up and I come motika. The library hour day now. If somebody be there before people. But we tell God thank you. One of them let the comment and improve at this place. All the roads have now. Authority they can see the place. He not find for look at all. Somebody sick now, somebody die now for pull up. Na street. It could be work for week.
Alright, Famulem, this one we can show now. So, in case you take you dinner, do you want to apologize to you because we just want for sure because of how it happened. As another either first story, well, we try for go ask the other people them, you know, because the allegation will they make against them. But something awful, you know, happened there. We just want for if you take you dinner. Just take a break for a moment and then let we bring this cam as with a good updates on that. And they were so again.
It meets toilets then. Then I do all the not to wait this morning.
Bana the slump now.
Yeah, so now the dirty box.
No, from this place to town, it just get for me. You see these damn people that place that we use slump. They not be they go down. But being that they don't go grab, we use if I don't see enough for two, and they check people then many times back there around that they sweep. But I say not go down. I say not for tomorrow we will not go to the city council or this and that. But the only thing where the rain they come, you know, see them and them, many of them they get bucket, and when they go, they know they go inside, turn inside the pit, make it go. Be that and slump, let me go. So me please say you will go sit down and slump.
Me na Reverend Mrs. Abigail Tucker. When we come to the toilets, I myself they suffer because I don't make a lot of comments say I go city council and all. But when you look at most of the houses, then they don't get toilets there. And as you come, you see I don't show you Mrs. Pete. And each of the rooms, the way they inside the house get toilets. And so Sunday on Sunday you sleep in a net. If they don't toilet, na then stool, you dey inside your house they sleep, then go to where you know go see person, not just the smell go they meet you. And someday because they know say na a slummy area, they want to wear the toilets. Sometimes na them 4 o'clock in the morning or 5 o'clock morning where you know come on and do it safe. Now that what they can't do. So whether they all, you could just come by you meet toilets. No get whether they all. And like we na buy who can buy, who me na stranger na can buy. And they try for develop. So I know that's so we meet them na. If you don't book before I can buy, and I don't start for make it any wall. You go down there, you see as you see them stone away pack so. Now the myself don't put so, but this year you work where I don't come out. I also don't pay for I hold them in a shop. In the fight, at least for protect my own house and my own area against disaster.
Emmanuel's content and I'm the caretaker for this place. We self don't consider them because we look at the people that we go they don't and one way or the other we must relate. I've been long called the man we they in charge of this compound way na Dominic Robert. I be don't put the complaint to him. I say they dirty the court. Like if you don't try for tell me say when he come because he out of the country. When he come, he go shower best and go get use and give retaining wall so that the dirty no go cut. Even for prevent immune self compound, when the retaining wall don't make, then I believe say the compound will be more prevent.
Because people say back in the toilet dirty will affect them down in the toilets, then will they affect them?
Yeah, like the dirty be the happen. If you watch now, they find out say no dirty not the toilet again because the dirty be the toilet go down. So if you watch, this now old dirty then now. The dirty ball like will be don't stop everybody in the community not for toilet dirty again.
So what about the toilets?
Well, like the toilet, no, like we not get any, we not pit we get. We not get anyone we like not drainage, not just a pit we get now. Yeah.
Me na Rebecca, Martin. You said don't see so. We said they put in place that the structure they go on. But when the rain they can now, we find out so what would they put on. The sand and the cement and all, the rain they was on. So now it make we don't stop first. But so we also we know so we they try whenever we do something to make it not go affect for we serve and the other way than they do. Because we never glad for life there for make them go not so. So that make we serve they go all out. Whenever we make sure say they make.
We just want for talk to NDMA that this is another Masibo Dundee at the pipeline will go cause problem.
Indeed.
So before the Masibo will get for camp, a better let NDMA go try for engage them people and they on that particular place they because some man they say in the building retaining wall, take the building retaining wall, the dirty no go down cut go down. So NDMA I think to
they
say
really
this
need for go because
food for thoughts.
I even ask for say since that send them they wouldn't come out and no go there again. And the place you see the crack at the ground, you know say this something they about to happen.
Indeed. Alright. Let we continue.
Well, from yonder, the National Disaster Management Agency, well, then same way so done their own watch and go watching for get their own management things them concerning that 7-story building where collapse na Kisi, Dominic JJ Tucker gets more.
Kenema Director of Relief and Response at the National Disaster Management Agency. So today we don't close the response. We'll begin on Monday the 16th of September 2024 after we get this spillway collapse. So we don't do search and rescue, we don't able to recover bodies them, we don't able to put people them alive. Now a total of 24 people be involved in this incident will take place. Out of the 24, 8 stay alive and 16 died. So we don't do all the way we need to do. We don't get any other person to try to recover again. The last bubble where Imperial Military say that the rock will recover after 24 hours. So currently we don't stabilize the ground because the place will shake. We not go and get situation inside. Other columns then go for down, go up to stop another community, or then find out say we get items and at the ground we go make them fetch. Now that make us spend time. We don't pull all things. We don't pull everybody. The ground now stabilized. We declare the road. We don't disengage with instruments. All the equipment we take them back inside them for the. So now that we don't do today. And this exercise don't come to an end.
Of course, now the 8th day this right we all on cast. So now at least not going to done this particular exercise. Not tell thank you right to the different actors them. So but to take you to the people who don't volunteer.
Yes, they say plenty thank you. So but cool people them. They first thank you to the community people them because they self-helping and they know the area. The family members of them one the way lost them people them themselves been very useful. We all do search and rescue and put small resources together so that we will continue this exercise. We will say big thank you to the security sector because of public order. All man one kind at the scene, everybody be the rush at the scene, but the police, the army, they do very well. You know, they're able to get crowd control. Only the people that will be need for them at the site and work that then will be allowed for them at the site. We also say big thank you to Fire Force because they use them, machine them for cut the iron rod and play significant role because the iron rod they make the machine and not they work well, but they be able to carry them cutter, then jar cutter, everything and do very well. We say plenty thank you to them. But they say plenty thank you to Red Cross and provide the ambulance, Red Cross names, the ambulance and then they treat people them and then they will take people them back where sick at the hospital, the one that way died they recover and take them to mortuary. Ambulance then play that role, names then play the same role. The honorable in the community is spend all in time, the honorable councillor, then they make food for we, then they eat on a daily basis from the beginning to this time. Freetown City Council self then carry them beam for use, then tipper, then personnel, then all man being at the ground. All man play important role. We private sector, the Gento, you see how it's Gento do, how much time is spent. Gento they under it carry with lots of equipment, lots of machines, fuel. They give huge support, so they work from the beginning to the end. Marampa mines, you see the crane, the biggest crane, 300-ton crane then at the site where they work today, they play important role, they count the excavator, help us stabilize, then give you technical advice. But if you get anything for tell NDMA or you be affected, we don't even know say you're affected, reach me. If you injure, we don't know say injure, reach me out, we they give you all necessary support what you need. Shuma Hospital, many others, then plenty, then plenty.
The Executive Chairman, Petroleum Regulatory Agency, PRA, Brahma Balua Kuruma, don't talk to German fuel station and group of company, say they for work with other marketing company them for let them will get sober service delivery in the petroleum sector. The Executive Chairman, PRA, we make this call the time we them in the officially pull Nado, the first fuel station when a German group of companies na Grafton at the Western Area District. William Wise, the report.
The new player them inside the petroleum industry, according to the Minister of Trade and Industry, Ibrahim Alpha Cisse, this day in line with Petroleum Regulatory Agency, them vision for make gas station and they all about the country. Not like Usai, plenty people not can get access for go, for make them able to get fuel. As he said, this will help for get service delivery inside the petroleum industry. The minister be talk about the new fuel station where German's group of company don't bring. This will be for help other gas station them where they in the Western Area Rural District because of in big capacity where it gets.
They tell us the government will pay beaucoup money for subsidized petrol and the cost government beaucoup money will just lift up small. But what to make that petrol formula good? If the price go down at the international market, with a drop an eye, all man go benefit. But if you go up, not only people are not queue already, the price go up small, but go fair way for manager. But for make sure say at any point in time, we get petroleum products there. I can tell you now this, in 2018, the oil marketing companies in this country now 3 no more be there. Today, we get 6, 100%.
The chief executive officer for German group of companies be talk to the audience them for sake in new plans the way he say they don't put in place for medical address challenge with plenty people in face the time we fear such as can day. He say this big tank the way he face make sure say the other station them way they around them go able forget fear where them problem they can do so. This will make a big the community people them and call on government and in partner. The executive chairman for Petroleum Regulatory Agency, Brahma Balwa we say then go work stronger one with the German group of companies, then fuel station for make them go ensure say they meet up with all the standard them we PI the puts na do. He be call on them for make them able for work stronger one with other oil marketing company them for make them go address the issue of fuel shortage and same way so make them able for get quality delivery for sell to the public. Quality fuel. This fuel station where they along the Dre Grafton Regent Highway gets plenty facility them. Not like the Sierra Leone Commercial Bank. Then get the shop and cafe plus other facility them where they get where according to PIA meet standard for make them able for operate as fuel station. As all this they be, the chief executive officer and in WEF for German group of companies be support school picking them wait up at the Grafton village with learning materials. Wales. William Wise, the reports.
Well, for Mianda, we go to a community watch as the team worker na Sunshine Community back of old school. Well, me could enjoy and do as we get more.
Hill Station back of old school na Sunshine Community gets plenty people where they live there. But from time memorial to now, the community still not develop it. When we talk to people wait tap there, then tell we say this community lack plenty thing them like power network, poor water facility, poor medical facility, and no market structure. For some years now, people them they work go far for go find water for drink and do other thing them. This don't make plenty picking they get belly because most of it na net them can go for go find water and say we so the woman them na the community. They find it difficult for cook. For sake of all this, make Victory Faith Chapel and SAB Ministries within America with support from Zion Tabernacle don't make pump na Sunshine Community near the market. According to Apostle Seth Amuabuaten, he said na Papa God tell him for can do this aviation crusade na salon, and for sake of this, he also tell him for feed and give people in water.
And they said this particular community really needs it. Even though a lot of community needs it, they felt led that this would be the best community for us to.
Maria Tuture, one of the cheerleaders na Sunshine Community, tell we say he glad for this clean water what this man of God don't come with in community. He said because he don't say what they suffer.
Because we know what we they go through now this community. It not be easy for we. We dey bye, we dey pin and don't know they for cook. What because of water no dey. We picking in the grab 4 o'clock, small picking in the grab 4 o'clock or go find water. Sometimes then they wouldn't go 4 o'clock, sometimes say 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, say they are back for go school and then don't late.
We say we to talk to one community stakeholder, we also na pastor, intel we say over the years na water people them will not get the upper hand they use for cook, book and drink. And because of that, they can open pump na ya so that they all go get the opportunity and they know they collect no money from nobody when one use the water.
And the essence of this water now for the less privileged. So if it's for less privileged, we just decide to we go extra mile so that people will benefit, the right people then will get them.
We say we so talk to one market woman where they sell on the market. And we say this water for plenty people them all over the community and people themselves will not happen in the community.
The woman they would suffer before they pull pick person upside from American embassy for Rondong to Gankandong Sunday the woman they deliver na road. And with the community people really they suffer with the woman then. We need the help from Touna.
One party coordinator them, we name Pastor Favor Numa, tell we say this water for last because they put all measures in place.
This water well project now one of the benefits we Christ Invasion carried. Before the apostle left America, he said one for give water to a deprived community. And this is how we get for can locate this particular community.
For Wales, Nigerian Dumbuya,
put this report together with support from Moses Sise, one of the cameraman.
All right, Aberdeen Capton, the people already did, they appeal for the good network as the National Protected Area Authority don't plan for begin for plans tick them back, you know, now the last banking. Tilly Williams, get the story.
Name Emma Kamara, Capton community we day, and the area in fine for live boards, and we dey go through some challenges them like water facility, we dey strain for water business, and like how una see so una be the country now. The road they're very very bad. That the rainy season, so we dey strain for road.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes, the strain for road.
Well, the health system in Mona, malaria no more Mona because of the mosquito there. Na near Abome, I should they see near Abome. So the mosquito then Kimona we dey sick of malaria now so too much, and as it is we not get free medical now so na Capton that's we can go up Aberdeen. And that's safe we can pay.
All right, so you dey go school?
Yes, sir.
So from how much you dey?
I be don sit one.
As you dey na this community, like then later or anything, what's the crime wey can happen?
No get rape case now. Well, what's the one man Papa government do for we in our community? If you go help we make we road, or help we make for we get water, because we dey strain for water now so too much, and we can pay back for water. Anyone rubber they pay them 1,000. So if you get say 50 rubber na 50,000 now they pay, and we go the very very bad.
Me na Councillor Ahmed Karim Bangura 1443 Aberdeen. Tree planting we dey do na Aberdeen through the efforts of National Protection Agency. A World Bank project when they can the banking area, and then they come for replace the trees that would have been cut down where they do banking with. So now the World Bank don't give sponsorship to a National Protection Agency for them who can do plant here back, so that right now they pass the demarcation line then for make people will stop banking, and anybody who exceed we pass that banking, you and the government will get problems. So that they do.
As they try for bringing down the most people don't build at them places, they how they get for do down there.
Well, they get a demarcation line. The demarcation line, the way National Protection Agency don't give. So people nobody for stop banking, so that they don't give stop banking to all the areas there. A National Protection Agency, which we the community people will come together. We put law. Anybody who jump that bank in the way the National Protection Agency they put, they don't go against the law, and the law they take in course.
How effective then when they get for plants go benefiting?
Well, then things when they plant them, we get to community people them back way that then they be police to them trees and then they plant, so that nobody no they interfere with it.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Well, from Yanda, the Sierra Leone Labour Congress will then self-dom join the climate change awareness. Tilly Williams gets more.
Me na Emmanuel Kamara, na me na the Director of Education at Sierra Leone Labour Congress. Yes, this meeting I will get na a meeting for we able for discuss climate change. We know say climate change na a major problem for us in Sierra Leone and the world over. So we as a workers organization thought that we need for intervene in that direction, but there are several aspects to climate change. We will focus now on how for properly manage solid waste for protect the environment. That's me today.
So who don't want to get that for can talk to on this year?
Yeah, well, like I tell you, say we na workers organization, we get members them, bookman them, where they into solid waste management, where they call themselves like a clean saloon. We don't organize them into a trade union, and we call them for there will be like capacity and how they will effectively manage waste. And they will bring Yasu Can together with the Freetown City Council officials. We are then responsible for the management of the city, especially with solid waste.
Me na Mohammed Salih Bagura, President of the Sierra Leone Labour Congress. So the purpose of this program today, we try for can talk about environmental degradation and how would they manage the waste management within the environment of Freetown, and also the program, although we get for extended at the provinces, but particularly with the base of us in Freetown, is waste management. And this one is based on the climate change. Climate change na a big concept where at least it's very difficult for explain. But we believe the climate change, what would they see? Rain they come. As how the rain they come this year, you find out say rain or plant cancel. The way where they send the one, in or plant one so this all the factors here, the way the wind they blow, the way things they happen is different from how things really happen. So this all bundle and together we say climate change. But what would they say climate change? We also they talk about environment. The environment, that is the area outside we do, we community, the country as a whole, now in our environment. You see the environment is spoiled because of we own activity. For example, we not they manage the waste. For example, you look around, you see plastic, they throw it, they throw it, they put dirty pan bag, send an athlete. You go to the dirty box there, they all full up.
All right, the All People's Congress family in the United States, Dendom Pulnado, Zana Pierce as president for the party, na the Georgia chapter. Well, Madam now na the second chapter president of the APC, after we then Pulnado, Jene Joanna Koruma na Texas, well, inside this year. Well, Sui Kama, the report. The occasion bin take place na Atlanta, where plenty Salon people in Mindede. When inside there, you get member them na other political party them where they na America. The APC USA District Chairman, Dr. Sufyan Kaloko, where na been the Kuruba pan the inauguration, he tell the new Georgia chapter president and the executive for let and go by the constitution them of all two the political party them and the country. The big alejo, Honorable Rosalind Smith, we talk pan the main talk, unity is strength. Pinpoint, but how unity important, whether only for pass the challenge them where any party gets. And the talk say, the party for let it go succeed depend on all man come together, the effort we all man go put together, rather than one person in own sense. Pan in inaugural address, President Zana Pierce, he talk for let party and forget national unity. He pinpoint say, if we forgo before to one, justice nine no more, then we will forget two where they all go come together for take one action. He talk, but woman them within the party say themselves for take leadership role now. Madam Pierce say we so talk about the need for let them get sober change. We go based on transparency, accountability, and we go bring all mankind to one. The event say we so word come out from Mohammed Kamara when one popular man what they call Jagaban. He talk to party member them for support the leader them we then choose. The ceremony being therefore done with and give award and recognize people them for them contribution them where they don't make to the party. The inauguration at Atlanta, it been get small sorriness because of the member of the APC USA because it been die in name na Anes Kaikai when a member of the APC. And in burying Seweso been take place in Philadelphia that 10 day. This inauguration are part of the big effort where the APC USA they do for give thank to the leadership where they across the 6 regional districts them at the United States under the current administration of Dr. Sufyan Kaloko. Now SIK send this report where I read in the studio.
Well, from Yanda, make we join this well body wakaya with Yvette Goldsmith.
over 1,000 people them in Waka for Seka the One Mind Health March campaign where they look inside young people them well body for Seka that bad drugs where they call kush, and same also try for promote peace na the Grassfield, Kisi and the other community them where they na the eastern part of Freetown. Our foundation for the past 7 years done they work with young people them for see them do better thing so that they go better the country where they talk the founder and Chief Executive Officer for our foundation, Wena Umar Fuad Bawo, talk say the One Mind Health March now for bring love na the community, and same way so tell Boku thank you to other community them.
The sister communities them, we see when them patronize with we, the Blaimalen, the Poti, the Kuntola, you name them, the community them Boku not also. The clubs them also, whether within the Grassfield community, we see all man demonstrate love Nayar.
Ambassador Umar Fuad Bao mean same way so talk about kush.
We don't start so with the pray, inshallah, by God in power, with the continuum. Because we your community, we want to say no to kush. We want to say no to hooliganism. We want to say no to injustice. Not also, we show love and we demonstrate love.
Tell Boku thank you to the Inspector General of Police for where he give them in support for CC the One Mind Health Waka all water proper one. They always work with others. Children's Foundation. Now one panel organization then at the eastern part of the country where don't they look inside development projects them for people them where not get the upper hand for sending picking and go school, and same way so do other thing them where go make them better for ways. Now even school Smith send this report.
All right, we'll go for a short break. We'll come back. We'll continue the program. Welcome back. Before we continue the program, I just want to give you this short notice. This is for the Gudat Salon people. We want to see Salon flag, they fly high. Initiative in Capacity Building Association International, ICBI, and MBSC, and other partner them. Well, then glad for tell you say, the international spelling bee could be next week. Well, for let this go all water, then they look for support. They want for let Salon people them support Salon picking them where they go fly the green, white, and blue flag. Well, this one now at the global stage. Well, in case you want for help, you can send a through Orange Money 079-717-762 or Afusel Money 7088 780-700, or you go na the place E12 Beaconsfield. They want for let una help because they want for go fly the Salon flag at the international stage. We'll continue the program.
Okay, they become international model school na Hill Station. Well, then we don't celebrate and foundation ceremony for sake of that. Authorities in the school we talk about the achievements and challenges them so far since the start. Well, make we see how we look like.
In a Silver Side Kano, the principal of the Great Beckham International Model Academy in Station. Well, today, now the school in foundation, they found the school on September 17, 2007. Today mark the school 17 years old. So we come here today for celebrate the success and the generation yet unborn. The school get for great impact on their life. So the foundation will be colorful today, where you see a great attendance and picking them in the book when they come today. Teachers them come, the proprietor board of directors of the school. in inclusive. We include everybody, even disabled. One thing we very much distinct amongst other is that we believe in excellence. You know, over the years, we don't send picking them for the WAS examination. We don't get a lot of requirement them picking in the Guna University. No top university in Northern Sierra Leone, they go in and meet a student of Beckham. NPSC, we then perform excellent in the and NPSA. You know, this year we send and 53 picking them. Already results bad in the country. We get 53 over 53. The least picking our school gets and 267. 9 come last. We get picking away them going to the army wash, the PO, the grammar school, and the other. Back examination, we're going to do excellent. What did give me this excellence? One, we believe in intelligence. We also believe in diligence. We the teachers are very committed to our work. Ukiah school starts last week. From the day where school starts, the 9th of this month, every day from that day till now, every day we teach will picking them.
Alright, Care Foundation for Better Salon Dongo donate educational material to over 100 picking them at the IEC Primary School Tombo. Well, this is part of the Back to School campaign, and they were Toronka. Get more.
For give more support to picking them inside the Buklan in one, nothing will fine as it motivates them for do more. Same way so, that self can help combat them for get school heart. And for sake of that, make the Care Foundation for Better Salon like all 10 we can give educational support to vulnerable picking them. Today, make the foundation don't go battle over 100 picking them na the REC Primary School na Tumbo. We saw them begin them book, bag, pen, pencil, and other educational materials them for make themselves go able land book find one. All this been be inside them Back to School campaign where they can do every year. Where it be the talk, the communication lead na Care Foundation, Kenema been talk more about the foundation and the support where they can give them.
And today we there for see our best the promise will we can make Natombo community a fulfill and consistency of the living. Of course, we have a lot of challenges in Care Foundation. One key thing where they keep the low grassroots organizations and kill them totally now because of their lack of funds. Community supporting. So Care Foundation with the CEO, Madam Aisha Bangura, we are very passionate somebody when they support picking them and of course we let people in business.
This according to the CEO and founder Aisha Bangura, we're based in Canada, like for support picking them and vulnerable community them for make themselves go able for grow. A go before talk say in heart king gladdy anytime where can give help to people them.
I want to tell you plenty thank you for always support Care Foundation for Better Sierra Leone. Since way back we don't start in 2016 to now, I want to say congratulations to the hardworking team. It was a successful one, even though me when I the CEO I'm not able for witness, but the hardworking team able for do all the necessary things and it was a successful story. And I want to tell the donors partners then plenty thank you. And this now contact to able for reach we 072 5703 68 to email when at carefoundation.bettersalon@gmail.com.
One Kumbra, Emma Kamara, on behalf of the picking them and in Kumbra them, been pray, gladdy, and tell thank you for the support where the Care Foundation can give them picking them na the REC Primary School na Tumbo.
For all school work in the beginning of the school because of bag, I don't get opportunity to buy for anything. So I know say I'm happy. I tell the people then thank you. Let God bless. Let God add for them more. They don't put me past shameless. So I'm glad on that.
For SLBC, my name Nanandua Toronka.
Well, as way for beautify and put security and community them within in constituency, make one member of parliament in the western area urban district, Honorable Benjamin Toure, don't go put solar lights when over 20 na the streets them. Well, this about 5 different community them being benefit from ma'am. Well, Junius Antona gets more.
The fix what them fix them streets lights here na areas them na Signal Hill Station Hillcourt Car Wash, New England Vindo Azak, Kenema Station Hospital, don't make the community don't bright and it's safe for waka na net. The fix where them fix the solar lights them not only provide safety and comfort, but also don't make the community don't clean. People them waiting at them community also can suffer and struggle for waka during when lights no day, and it can raise security concerns. But when the lights don't come now, na then community they are, it go make them people also the waka free one and net without no issue.
Well, of course, as I say, as a member of parliament, when I talk on this person, we always listen to the call of the people. I think people don't let me say I don't always do that they hate whenever they need me. So it's a concern, as I tell you, they don't harass people in too much. And I don't want that this particular community. When you look at this community, you find out that the president they leave, the vice president they leave, even the first lady they leave. So we need to tackle security issues, especially in this particular area and in this district.
Then people also na then community been very, very glad for this kind of thing where the honorable member, when an honorable Benjamin Toure can fix na then community them. The community member then say they're ready for watch their lights here and protect them. So a yampi no go come take them lights there and then community there. They say they go protect them like when they protect their own property na they host them.
This street lights will help people and Bokuti way they na dark way we go know where lights they, because the solar lights we believe safe, even lights not they safe. They light for we, they penetrate any way we want go, we no go fear, or any way we want to, we no go fear.
During the night hours, how it can be like way net can come, it can really dark, or sometimes they will like knocking, it can get chance to even the bad guys them for begin jog, the ladies them phone, jog people them phone. But with the solar lights here now more added advantage for even the car wash.
Most of the bike man them, then they work for the whole day. Sometimes when they tell me they come, what is the evening time, say this place is dark, then they come for can wash. So this lights are so basically a promotory as a youth them, not only in the day, at the night also that we will work at the car wash.
Then lights here with the honorable member, honorable Benjamin Toure don't can fix. It don't strengthen the bond between the community people and themselves as honorable member. With that kind of positive things here with the happy and the community here, I hope say other community projects him honorable Benjamin Toure go undertake.
Well for we know say now workable honorable, and we believe say it will continue for work for we as how then the count then development there, because the tank that we so now in the same honorable in count and tank then for we so always now the community. So we really appreciate them for that.
So that 10 communities there go ensure say they're lively and people then go for enjoy then stay.
Alright, Yahweh Chapel International don't go ordain over 114 pastor them na Wilberforce Baptist Church na Wilberforce Bottom Mango. Well, Chile Williams been witnessed the ordination and in our report.
Archbishop-elect Bishop Dr. Adamski A.T. Bangura, General Overseer of Yahweh Chapel International. And we get ordination and we get to international preacher all the way from France under ICL, and also with IFC, International Fellowship of Churches. All over the world, we came together, we have an ordination, and today is the first day of. We have 100 members that's going to be ordained and affirmed. This one is the second time. We did it in 2023, now we are doing it in 2024. We are looking out for dying souls, and also when they go out and win souls, we believe in equip, educate, empower, and economical growth in the life of Christians. We want to build up the Christians and the pastors them for make themselves become somebody tomorrow, available for push the gospel in the right way. So now we always teach them and ordain and baptize and affirm them for being in organization in ICL. Well, we expect more for go out and win souls, and also not only for ordain, we deal with widows them, we assist widows them, and we help them in technical vocational studies where they learn. We incorporate also with CBW, Commonwealth Businesswomen, where they work with me, as well with other Soriat organizations where we all come together, where they work and for push the gospel and for assist people and for make them become somebody in the society. The guest speaker is a bishop all the way from France right now, where the minister today. And today in the evening is Bishop Dr. and HNK Osis. More people turn out because last time September, to remember, by this time when the weather was good and the place we don't food, we get over 1,200 people when we come. And then how the day will grow at the day to the end of the program on the last year, when we get over 1,500 people we witness the program. And we'll be responsible for take transportation, for take the to and fro, and feed the people twice a day. I want to encourage people to be part of the International Fellowship of Churches and also an ISIL. ISIL is an international organization where there are over 40 countries in the world. So we are ready for network with all pastors and for make them come and for go out to get a mission for win souls all over the world.
Well, for Mianda, Amnesty International, they organized one-day conference where they train the member them on how to monitor and report case them. All this be happening at the Scout headquarter office in New Englandville. Tilly Williams gets more.
Yeah, Kamara Kane, the chairperson for Western Region. Well, the purpose of this program, we get with you today. You know, say Amnesty International are all about advocacy. So most of them they not sabi how for do monitoring and do reporting where they would don't monitor them. So we deem and fit say we can teach them today how for do monitoring where in case we get any case na the field. If we know how for go monitor them, the later way you can have for can do the reporting. Yeah, for Western Region are the first thing is, but for the secretariat, when are the national secretariat, not to the first thing.
So how do they fund this program?
Well, both Western Region and the National Secretariat. The feedback we won't forget. Anytime when they send anybody for go do monitoring, if we're able for do and can report like the National Secretariat and doing reporting very well. And if for no waiting at advocacy and I for go advocate.
Now the campaigns and growth officer for Amnesty International, Jaya Kaikai. Basically, Amnesty International and human rights organization only for promote and protect people's rights. And so that's now we call values. And with intervention areas then Boku, they ensure say we talk on behalf of people them, who then rights them, they abuse them, who then violate their rights them. And in order to tap the equality, to ensure say we engage the appropriate authorities there when issues of short nature then arise. And that's Amnesty International, now a movement of over 10 million people then globally. And so Sierra Leone now a session also gets Uyonaya, and that's today purely for ensure say people their rights them protected and ensure say the people them all they don't abuse their rights or violate their rights gets justice.
Alright, now so we'll put the cutting down. One for telling a plenty for when I watch the program, and we tell we colleague them. Of course, we get Shekuji Kama and Jay Cole, and they know on camera we get Suleiman Samura. They're on control, Tosan Onyere, and we get Fasana Mo on a transmission supervisor. Well, we will do the program.
My name is Nanandua Toronka.
Plenty thank you to our colleague, na Lester Peak. Well, the producer for this program, na Lucian Ganda. So till we meet back again on Friday, inshallah. In Adan Mosir. Bye-bye.